When you've created your form and you're ready to share, you're going to go up here to this purple send button. You have a couple options. You can embed your form. You can just share this link. Remember, don't share the link up when you're in editing mode. You want to share this link for people to fill out your form. Remember, you can also shorten this URL to make it more accessible. And you can also email. What's nice about email is I can also include the form directly into my email. I'm going to hit send and show you what it looks like from my iPad. So here's the email that I can go ahead and fill out. But let's say this is a form I'm going to have to fill out frequently. I'm going to click on this fill out in Google Forms. It's going to send me to my browser. And on any tablet or phone device, I have the ability to save this link to my device so I can quickly get to it. In an Apple product, a iPhone or iPad, you're going to click on this box with the arrow, and I am going to add to home screen. I can rename this. Maybe I want to name it by my student or their initials. And it's going to show up here, kind of looking like an app. And when I'm ready to fill out that form again, it'll pull it up with the latest edition. So if you as the form creator decide to edit this, I will get the latest version of this form. On an Android device, it will also be in this corner. It's 3 little dots to add to home screen.